everybody, welcome back to my bathroom. You guys, my plan is for this video to be really quick, okay? This is the plan. I want to try doing one of the turbans or the head wraps. I see the ladies wearing these head wraps and turbans, and you know, they're really casual, or either they're dressed up, and I just think they are so cute, but I've never tried to do one on me. So I'm going to experiment today, and if you follow us and you saw my vlog where we went to visit our dude number 2 at school, this is the head wrap that I was wearing that day. So I'm being proactive, and I thought, you know what, if it turns out cute, because I've never done it before, let me video it, and then that way I can share with you guys after the fact exactly what I did. So again, that video when I had my head wrap on, that's this look that I'm getting ready to create. So okay? I will be using this infinity scarf, and I'm just hoping that it's going to be easier because it's like that stretchy material, like that jersey. It kind of feels like a t-shirt. So hopefully this will make my attempt easier and successful. So I don't want to have to pull my clothes over my head once I get my little turban or head wrap done. So let me go get dressed. So I'm going to start with, I want to put this on my head because I want this to be up under my scarf. I'm just going to kind of lay my hair down up under it. I just kind of crisscrossed it in the back. Oh, wait a minute, y'all. Let me brush them little beady bees back there. Just in case they be hanging out. Yeah, them beady bees hanging out, y'all. Okay. Try to get that kind of flat. Here goes, you guys. Now I have looked at a few, videos here and there. So the only thing I know I do want to do is the way I'm going to crisscross it in the front. That's my first little loop. That's all I know I want to do. And you guys, I have a little hole here, so I need to make sure I camouflage it. Okay, I don't want that in the back because, honey, that may show. Okay, so we're going to put that, make sure that hole is near the front, okay? And I have a mirror here because I'm trying to kind of maybe face you guys a little bit so y'all can see what I'm doing. Oh, my goodness. Okay, so we're going to just putting it on, and I kind of folded this to try to make sure that little hole doesn't peek through. Okay. Well, it just came loose. It's okay. So let's see. Okay. Now what I do know I want to do is I'm going to crisscross this, and this little, when you crisscross it, you see this little hole. I'm going to pull this through almost like I'm tying. Uh-oh. Okay, yeah. So I crisscrossed that, pulled it through like I was tying a little knot. Let's see. And once I get it figured out, I'm also going to kind of slide it back just a little bit off of my forehead. little something hang a little bit. I don't know, y'all. Am I trying to make a little bang? Is that what I'm doing? Okay. Let's see. Whatever. And then I don't know what this is. That's the devil. Do it because this should not take all day. Let me see what my husband thinks. Robert, come here, babe. Wish I could get his expression, but I'd have to move the camera. Can I get away with this?
Look, shoot, it looks nice.
It does?
Let's go.
Okay, I've never done it before.
Look at you.
It's okay.
It looks nice.
Okay. Husband approved. This is what we came up with. Okay, so thank you guys so much for watching. I already look forward to you joining me again next time. Bye.